Let me show you how to set any song as a ringtone on your Google Pixel 10 and 10 Pro. So first things first, we are going to need to transfer over the song we want to actually set as ringtone. So on your PC or Mac, simply have the file ready as MP3 file, and we are going to connect basically together. So using the Type-C, essentially as C, I'm actually plugging in my Type-C over here. And then this is the most important part. We actually have to swipe down basically from our phone, and you will see this notification charging this device via USB. We are going to click this and click it once more. Then select this file transfer Android Auto. Okay, and then basically, yeah, so you can simply go to your PC and basically it will open up the internal storage for the Pixel. We are going to click that. Next, simply maybe let's go in the music folder, and we can simply drag over the file to the music file. Wait for it transfer, and then we can safely unplug it. Okay, next we are going to go in our files. In our files, let's click audio, find your song that you have. Over here, click the three dots over here and select set as ringtone, and job done. So now the song will be as your ringtone. Good luck.